What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. So I got to start with a little bit of an apology. Sorry for this video coming out a little bit later than it was planned. I was hoping to have it up yesterday, but it's a holiday weekend. Hopefully you all had a good time. I had a good time, and that's why the video's a little bit later. Decided to take a little bit of a break from YouTube and just kind of spend some time with family. So this video is a little bit later than I had hoped, but only by a day or two, so hopefully you guys aren't too upset. As you can tell by the title, today is the day that we're going to be drawing the winner for the Kilmat and Noiko foam sound insulation, giving it away to one of you guys. Kilmat or Noiko, the company that sponsored this, they were willing to give away, they already gave away a full set, but they're willing to give away another full set of 4 boxes of Kilmat sound deadening and 4 boxes of Noiko foam. So thank you for providing that for this giveaway. I know I really appreciate it, and I can tell a lot of the subscribers really appreciate it. So if you're watching this, thank you to you guys. I really appreciate companies that are willing to work with smaller channels like mine. That video that we did the giveaway on is just over 50,000 views, which I have a couple videos up around there, but this did it in under a month. So to all the people that liked the video, all the people that commented on the video, thank you. That is what happens when you guys interact with the videos. YouTube shares it so much more, and it gets out to so many more people. Normally my videos are right around probably 2,000 to 6,000 views, so 50,000 views in that short of time is pretty awesome. So thank you to all you guys that interacted and entered in for the giveaway. To all the new subscribers that I have gotten since then, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you deciding to tag along. I can tell you right now, I am looking at a large amount of projects that are starting to pile up. Some stuff that I'm pretty darn excited about. Some big projects that I've wanted to do for a long time. Got some awesome new tools in the shop or the garage to work with. Hopefully I should be having some pretty exciting content that I think a lot of you guys will really enjoy. So if you're new here, thanks for tagging in. With that, I don't want to ramble on too much. I'm going to grab the computer and do the normal screen record, and I'll keep this going so you guys can kind of see that it is live. But got the computer here, I'm going to do the screen record, do the random comment picker, and we're going to see who won the full sound insulation package. So with that, alright, so you guys should be able to see the screen now. As you can see on the main page for the video, fully soundproofing my 7.3 liter Power Stroke, just under 51,000 views, which is totally awesome. Last month, without a doubt, was my best month on YouTube. You guys killed it. Can't thank you guys enough. If we look down, 625 comments. Some of those are mine, some of them are duplicates, so there weren't that many people that entered. As far as giveaways go, you guys have a pretty good chance. As you can see, the first giveaway winner was already chosen. He received it, put it into his OBS truck. Seems to be liking it thus far. But again, we're choosing another giveaway. So what we're going to do is come up here, take the URL of the video, copy that, and we're headed over to the random comment picker that I always use. Duplicate or filter out duplicates, so that way you enter more than once, it doesn't give you another chance. Everybody that entered has an equal chance. We will add in replies. Some people, not exactly knowing what they're doing, try to enter in as a reply to a comment, but we're still filtering out duplicates, so we should be good. So what we're going to do is paste the URL there and get the comments. You can see it going up. Over 400, 500, 513 individual commenters. Thank you guys very much. Now what we're going to do is start the raffle and see who the winner is. Drum roll please. Let's go. Chris Clayton, You are the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations. What I need from you is to get in touch with me. I'll reply to your comment, or try to reply to your comment. I've got a 7.3 as well, and my wife would love a quieter cab. I think that's a pretty common thing with us 7.3 folk. I need you to get in contact with me. I'll reply to this comment, but you can either send me an email or hit me up on Instagram, one way or the other. I'll give you some time, so hopefully you see this, but I need you to reply, Chris Clayton, congratulations. Again, to everybody that entered in on this giveaway, I can't thank you guys enough. Your guys' interaction on this video, as you can see, I went up to 50,000 views. Normally my videos are right around 2,000 to 6,000 views on average, so 50,000 views within a month. You guys absolutely killed it. I can't thank you guys enough. It was my best month on YouTube that I've had to date. It's a good feeling. To everybody that was new here that subscribed for this, hopefully you stay in. Like I said, I have a lot of fun stuff planned. You can see some of the boxes to my side here. There's boxes here, boxes there, a big box back there, another really expensive big box down there. Got a lot of fun stuff coming, so hopefully you stick around. Coming up on 10,000 subscribers. I want to do something for 10,000 subscribers. Not sure yet, but I am going to try to plan something for you guys that you should enjoy. As far as everybody that watched my last video on making a custom engine cover for the truck, it's going well. I got in touch with a company here in town and get a price quote on what it'd be to get a custom designed laser cut out. Still running some numbers. But I should hopefully have some answers for you guys in the near future of what it would cost to, I guess, for one, to have mine done, and then for what it would cost to get something done for you guys if you're interested in buying a custom engine cover. If you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. I go into a little more detail in that. But that is the update for today. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying what's been going on in the channel. Again, Kilmat, thank you for sponsoring the video. You guys are awesome. If you guys haven't checked them out on Instagram, go check them out. They're posting stuff constantly about installs of their product. I myself have been very happy with it. It does its job very, very well. So I think with that, there's no point in rambling on a whole lot more. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday weekend. I know I did. It was good to get away for a little bit. But now it's time to get back to work, get back to the grind for both work and for the channel. With that, I think I'm going to end out this video. Chris Clayton, congratulations. Thank you for entering in. Get in contact with me and we will get the product shipped out to you as soon as possible. To everybody else, catch you guys on the next video.